Happiness is my village.
Happiness is my family.
Happiness when we sing. Happiness my book.
Happiness is my friend.
Happiness is the church on Sunday.
Happiness is my island.
Yes, the island.
Happiness is the children.
Happiness is being in this place.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where